everybody, today we are working without stretching and how to stretch your spine and how to do that right and without pain. So we'll get started. You'll stay in this position, take your leg more behind and relax and start slowly to pushing for your legs. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take those legs out. Take your legs down and take stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go behind. And now take your hands on the floor. Take in this side. Take one leg up and try the circle. So 1, 2, 3. Change side and slowly go down. Take your blocks and stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe me, take me likes, and bye bye. Hello everybody, today we'll do the short position and how to stretch your body for that position. I will show you now. So look at stand in this side, take our leg and starting the pushing down. So take it 1 for warm up, 2 and 3. Let's change the leg. Take it 1, 2 and 3. Good work. Take down and go stretch for leg. So 1, 2, 3. Let's change. Take 1, 2. Good work. After that, you'll try to take on the knees and try to take on leg and try to take 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and take leg and we'll get this position. Good work. Take 2 legs together. Take your breath. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much. I will hope that you like it. Follow me and go and watch my another video. So bye bye. Hello everybody, today we use the blocks and do split from these blocks. Are you ready? Maybe yes, maybe no. So we will start. I will take these blocks and we start from your mouth. So take your another step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work with this leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Working this front leg. So 1, 2, 3, catch and press straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good boy. Take our breath. Slowly breathe out and go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it and follow me. It's so important for me. Thank you. Bye bye. So everybody, today we're starting stretching our feet with this structure. So let's start with me. We take this and pushing on ourselves. So and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And try stretch 1. So 1 and also 2. Back. So I will try to take it once. And take it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to take one more and then so 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change. 1, 2, 3. Okay, take our breath and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it and follow me. So thank you. Bye bye.